Hello students. In previous class we completed up to sixth one. Sixth one completed sixth one. Subtraction double. In exercise 1.4 in new textbook we will start now seventh question. What is the seventh question? Page number 22. Write the greatest and the smallest six-digit number. Numbers formed by Okay, what is the question given there? Write the greatest and smallest six-digit number. How many digits we needed here? Six digits. That means two numbers we have to prepare. What are those numbers? One is greatest number, one is the smallest number. Two numbers we have to prepare. Okay, by using which one we have to use? Formed by all the digits. By using these digits we have to use. What are the digits given? 6, 4, 0, 8, 7, 9. By using these digits, we have to prepare 6-digit numbers. One is the biggest number, one is the smallest number. Later, preparing those, what we want to find? Find the sum and the difference. What we have to calculate? Sum of the greatest number and smallest number, and difference of the greatest number and smallest number we want to calculate. Okay, first which digits are given to you? That one we will write first. Okay, solution. Given digits equal to. What are the digits given here? Given digits equal to 6, 4, 0, 8, 7, 9. Okay, totally how many digits are given to you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every digit you have to use because we want to prepare 6-digit number. Now we will prepare the greatest number and smallest number. Greatest is 6-digit number. Greatest 6-digit number. 6-digit number equal to. Greatest 6-digit number equal to what then? By preparing the greatest number, very simply you have to remember. Out of all given digits, which is the greater? That one you have to write first. 6, 4, 0, 8, 7, 9. Which is greater? 9 is greater. Okay, later, which is greater? 8 is greater. Like that you have to follow the order. Okay, 8. 9, 8, remove after which is the greater? 6, 4, 0, 7. 7 is greater. Later, 6, 4, 0. Which digits are writing here? Those we have to don't consider. Okay, only remaining which are not right, those only you have to consider. Okay, 6, 4, 0. Which is greater? 6. 6. Okay, next 4, 0. Which is greater? 4. 0. 4, 0. Okay, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 0. Actually, what we written here by preparing the greatest number, write a descending order without keeping commas. Now we will prepare smallest 6-digit number. 6-digit number. What is the smallest 6-digit number? Okay, for example, I have written here, reverse this number 0, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this I have written. Okay, can we consider this is a 6-digit number? For example, I will write some number 201 this is. For example, I start with like this Shall we read it? This is also 201. 3-digit number it is. It is 3-digit number only. I want to prepare 3-digit number. Okay, shall we say this is 3-digit number? No. 0 is starting with it. Whenever 0 is starting with it, we don't consider by reading a number. Only we will read 21. 21 is 2-digit number. Similarly, here also we required a 6-digit number. But we started with 0. 0 we don't count. Okay, while reading the number. How many digits are available now? 1, 2, 3. Without 0, 5 digits only. But we needed in here 6-digit number. So what we want to do now? Okay, by using all the digits, we have to prepare 6-digit number. So just simply reverse these two numbers. That means write 0 at a second place. First place we have to write 4. Now it will become 6-digit number. If you repeat this number anywhere, it will be smallest number. If you can exchange this 0 any place, it will be a smallest number. Okay, that is you have to remember. That means while writing the smallest number, any number should not start with 0. That one you have to remember. Okay. Now we will calculate the sum. Sum of numbers. Sum of numbers equal to. Sum of numbers equal to we will have to add 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 0. 4, 0, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have to add. We have to add this. Okay, 9, 3 plus 9. 0 plus 9 only. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 is carried 2. Okay, 7 plus 7, 14. 14. Already you know 6 plus 7, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 1 carry 4. Now we again 6 plus 7, 1, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 1 carry 4. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. This is the answer. Now we will calculate the difference. Difference equal to. Difference is means don't need to confuse. Difference means subtraction only. Okay, from which number you have to subtract? Largest number we have to write first letter, smallest number only we will subtract. Okay, in this class. Okay, now what is the biggest number here? 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 0. What is the smallest number? 4, 0, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have to subtract. What we want to do here? Subtract here. Now take all. Whenever first number is smaller than second number, we will take borrow. Already we know. Now take borrow. From this we have to take borrow. It will become 3. It will become 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 3 subtract it? No. Again take borrow. It is becomes 1 less 5. Okay, it is 13. Okay, we are taking borrow 10. Okay, that's why we added 10 to the 13. 13 minus 8, how much? 10 minus 8, how much? 2. 2 added to 13. Already I told you, 13 minus 8, how we can do? 13 we can write as 10 plus 3. Okay, from this we have to subtract 8. We will get 2. Add this number to the 3. What we will get? 2 plus 3, 5. 5. Similarly, 5 minus 7, we will subtract. No. They again take borrow, this 15. Okay, 10 minus 7, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. Okay, we don't know, we did not understand this subtraction. We can use our fingers, then we can subtract. Okay, but our aim is we have to do the sum without mistake. 6 minus 6, 0. 8 minus 0, 8. 8 minus 0, 0 don't write. 8 minus 0, 8 don't. 9 minus 5, 9 minus 4, 5. This is the answer. Okay, we have to prepare 6-digit numbers, greatest and smallest, later add and subtract. That is the solution for the given question. Now we will go for the next question. 8th question. What is the 8th question here? Okay, what is the question given here? First one answer. What is the question? Harita has 1 lakh rupees. How much rupees does she have? 1 lakh rupees. How much she had? 1 lakh rupees is there. Harita is one person is there. She had 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees. Okay. By using this amount, she want to buy something. What she want to buy something? We will learn now. She placed an order for purchasing 124 ceiling fans. What she want to purchase? Ceiling fans. How many purchase? How many she want to purchase? 124 fans she want to purchase. Okay, so she given some order. Okay, by online by online she want to buy. We have to take by online she want to buy. So she ordered 124 ceiling fans. For each cost is how much? Yet 726 rupees each. How much cost is each one? 726 rupees. How much money will remain with her after purchase? After purchase. After purchase. Okay, after completion of purchase, after buying after bought 124 ceiling fans, how much money will be remaining with her? We want to calculate. Okay, first take what is the total amount? Harita had money equal to. Harita had money equal to. Harita had money equal to. What is the amount there? This is the rupee symbol. Already we know. 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees. How many fans she bought? 124 fans. Okay, by each cost is 726 rupees. Each cost is 726 rupees. And then I want to find what is the total price of the 124 fans I want to calculate. Okay, number of fans purchased. Number of fans purchased. Number of fans purchased is equal to. How many fans she purchased? 124. Cost of each fan. Cost of each fan equal to. What is the cost of each fan? 726 rupees. 726 rupees. And the cost of 124 fans. Cost of each fan means one fan only. I want to know 124 fans cost. 124 fans equal to. Okay, each cost multiplied with the total 124 fans. 726 multiplied 124. And now multiply 726 multiply 124. Already we know 3-digit number with 3-digit multiplication. 4 6 is 24. 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 10. 1 carry 0. 4 7 is 28. 28 plus 1 29. Now go for the second digit. Here you have to leave second digit. You leave here second digit. Second digit you have to leave here. 2 4 6 is 12. 1 carry. 2 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 5. No carry there 5. 2 7 is 14. Carry not there. Directly you have to write 14. Now go for the third digit. Third digit means you have to give 2 intos. 1 space 10 space below. Now multiply 1 with 1 6 is 6. 1 7 1 2 is 2. 1 7 is add these numbers. What we can get? 4. What we can get? By adding these numbers, we will get 4 4 2 9 plus 5 plus 6. How much? 6 plus 5 11. 11 plus 9 20. 2 is carry. 2 is carry 20. 20. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 4 10. 1 carry 0. 7 plus 2 1 plus 1 9. How much cost you will get? Total cost of these fans is 90,024 rupees. 90,024 rupees. Now I want to know what is how much money will be remaining. Remaining money equal to remaining money with her. Remaining money with her equal to. How we can calculate it? Subtract total amount. We have to use first. Later use the money. Already she spent. Okay, this money how to subtract? That means 1 lakh minus 90,024. 90,024. We will subtract here 1 lakh here. 1 lakh 90,024. How many digits are there? 5 digits only. But here how many digits are there? 5 digits. The 5 digits are 6 digits. But we have to write a similar place values only. Place you can one place below, one place only have it. One place number is 4, 2, 0, 0, 9. Otherwise you can start from here also, no problem with that. But you don't write mistake. Now subtract this one. Okay, 0 will not take borrow. You will not give borrow. This will give borrow. We have to take borrow from here. That means it will become 0. It will become 10. Okay, between zeros are there. What will be there? 10 or 9? Okay, each number will be 9 only. 9. 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 2, 7. Okay, 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 9, 0. That means how much how much money will be remaining with her? 0 no need to write here. 9,976 rupees with her. That is the solution. Okay. Now, already in previous class we discussed about the round of numbers, nearest tens, nearest hundreds, and in old textbook we discussed that 1.2 exercise. Okay, by using nearest tens, nearest hundred, nearest thousand, we will follow the given questions: addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay, how we can do? Already we told that concept related to the nearest tens, nearest thousand. Once again, I will recall you. Either this concept or previous concept only we can use. For example, 726 given. This is 623 given. I want to write a nearest tens. I want to write a nearest tens. Whenever nearest tens also means tens place we have to underline. Tens place we have to underline. Tens place left right side. Which number is there? More than 5 or less than 5? We have to take. Less 5 means less 5. We have to remember note points here. Note. Okay, underline beside. Underline number beside. Okay, less than 5. Less than 5 is there. Less than 5 is there. Then add 0. Then add 0 for underline number. Add 0 for the underline number. Okay, equal or more. Equal or more than 5. Equal or more than 5 is there. Underline number beside, right side number. Then add 1. Then add 1. Let the underline number beside all zeros. While writing the result, underline before which numbers are available, those numbers only we will write after addition. Now look here, 726. 726 tens place I underline here. Okay, the underline beside right side which number is there? 6. 6 is related to first condition, second condition. More than 5. Equal or more than 5 means what we can do? Add 1. For underline number we have to add 1. For underline number we have to add 1. Okay, now this becomes 0. This becomes 0. Finally remember, while addition, which number for this place we yielded nearest tens or nearest hundreds. That onwards only we will get numbers. Beside that one, all zeros only. Okay, beside one, all zeros are only. Okay, 3 and 2 plus 1, 3, 7. 730 is nearest to the 726. Okay, This nearest number represents the approximate value. That is not exact value. Approximate value. For example, for this, I want to calculate nearest 100. Nearest 100. Already I told this concept. Nearest 100. Nearest 100 is means 100 plus value underline. Okay, beside number what is the number there? 2. 6, 2, 3. Okay, this is related to the 2 is related to first condition, second condition. First condition is which number we have here? 0. We have here 0. Okay, 2 plus 0, 2 only 6. This number becomes 0. In previous class I told you another model, not this model. We got that model. Okay, we have to take 726. Okay, we have to consider 2 digit number 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Like this we have to consider. Tens place also. Nearest tens means nearest tens place and this one both we have to underline. 26 lies between which numbers? 20, 30. 20 is nearest or 30 is nearest for 26? 30 is nearest. Okay, if we add 4, we will get 30. If you subtract 6, we will get 20. Okay, 4 is smaller. So we can write instead of this one 30, we can write 730. That one similarly we will get. Okay. Now today homework is similarly this one also we can discuss like that one. Already previous class I told that one. Okay, this chapter is completed. Only addition of round of numbers, subtraction of round of numbers is there. Next class we will discuss that one. Okay, what is the work today? Today homework is we have to complete exercise 1.4 sums. In new textbook, that means last class sums, today class sums. Both we have to do homework. Exercise 1.4 sums, page number 22. Page number 22 sums we have to practice. Okay.